Hello and welcome to One Core Learn at Home. Thank you for making your way to this video. My name is Jane and I will be your guide for the next few minutes. One Core Learn at Home was created for childcare providers like you to be able to thrive and keep your center open during the pandemic. The pandemic is still very much going on, and we've been very saddened to see a lot of our centers close because they had no way to keep their enrollments and to generate income during this time. This is precisely why we created Learn at Home, so that you can find one more creative way to continue to engage your students even when they're still staying at home full-time or part-time. What I'd like to do now is show you how this works and how you could apply this to your center in real time. So let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is you want to set up your programs. For this, you're going to go to subscriptions, add new subscription, and you're going to start inputting the details. What most childcare centers do is they set up their programs or subscriptions based on how many virtual class sessions per week they want to offer to families. While setting up your subscriptions, you can decide for which age groups the subscription is going to apply, and you can even highlight a most popular subscription that parents will see when they are in the process of registering their children for their virtual classes. After subscriptions have been fully set up, now you're ready to start adding your virtual classes. To do this, you're going to go to Classes, Add New, and you're going to start filling out the details of your class. One very nice thing that you can do here is you can set up an entire schedule for a particular class and even assign your virtual instructor to it. Instructors or staff members have access to their very own Learn at Home portal. This allows them to easily organize their virtual class schedules and lets them start their video class directly from their page. Now that we have set up subscriptions and classes, the next thing you want to do is set up your pricing, registration fees, and applicable policies for your center. For this, you're going to go to Operations section. You're going to set up how much you want to charge for each program and how often, and you're going to outline all of the policies and relevant information for your center. Once this is completed, you're now fully ready to start inviting parents to register for your virtual classes. To do this, you're going to use the registration link that you see located at the top of your operations section. This link is fully unique to your center, which means you can share it in any way you'd like. For example, you can share it via email, or you can put it directly on your website for parents to easily access your center's virtual class registration process. When parents click on the registration link, they'll go through the process of filling out the application with their information, their child's information, and they'll proceed to select the program that best fits their needs. After they've reviewed the information, they're going to proceed to payment, and in payment, they're going to get the option to pay either by checking account or by credit card. Once they've made their selection and completed their payment, they will be prompted to create their very own online account where they will log in every time it's time for their child to join their virtual class. One Core Learn at Home was designed with your peace of mind in mind. This means that we want to make it easy for the childcare center providers, for their instructors, and for their families to connect with each other virtually so that they can have as smooth of an experience as possible when receiving and conducting virtual education for the children. So that's it. That is how simple it is to use One Core Learn at Home. As you saw, you have everything you need to run your entire virtual school in just one platform. Thank you again for your time. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the other side.